Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm good. And how about you, ma'am?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. So, we are meeting for the first time like this way. So, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, ma'am, of course. My name is Pankaj Sonkar. I'm from UP, Prayagraj. And I'm a working person. I'm doing job in a private company. My hobbies are like reading books, playing cricket.
Great. Okay. So, as you know, my name is Nootan and I'm from Mathura. I'm a homemaker and I have a YouTube channel and I'm blessed with two kids. So, this is all about me. Thank you.
Okay, that's how you inspired to learn this language. What springs you to learn this language?
It has been my passion for a long time. And
Mhm.
I think it's 3 years since when I opened this YouTube channel just because of my passion, my fascination towards this English language. Because that time I didn't have any speaking partner, I didn't have any environment. So this is how I started my this journey, and now I feel like just because of connecting so many people and talking with them like on every single day, that has amplified my confidence. So by speaking again and again, I have gained this much confidence.
Okay, so you told me you are learning since 3 years. So initial days when you start 3 years ago, maybe that time you don't have that much application and all these things to available for practice. So how you started that time?
I knew that time that there was one app called Clapping Go, but I didn't have the courage to come out from my comfort zone and then connect with people, those tutors, and talk with them and hold a session. So I didn't have the courage. I can say the courage, the kind of aspect of courage that time it was missing. I didn't have the courage to deal with people, and as I earlier mentioned you, this was the only option I had left to speak with myself, doing the self talk, making my solo videos. So whatever like coming in my mind, I used to speak, and I used to make a lot of mistakes, even though I was doing that, and I had been doing that time because as I told you, I was really fascinated and captivated towards this English language. So this much I could do, and I did that.
I also saw your videos on YouTube. That's all really very amazing and informative videos.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
So
you
you
are.
tell me, how do you do your speaking practicing?
I'm started my speaking practice with Joe Stock application.
Okay.
In around 8 9 months ago. So I started speaking practice over there, and still I'm using that uh, application for speaking practice. I'm start to this your application like video conversation. It's been only 15 days since 15.
So when
Yeah.
you started your this journey, like talking with people, connecting with people, let's say on Josh Talk, as you mentioned, so did you
Mm.
have the fear beforehand the
Yeah,
conversation?
so much, so much. We can say too much fear because I'm never speak English. As you mentioned, this is not our native. I'm also from Prayagraj, UP, so I've never speak English. Even my in my academic times, my English subject was a very poor, a weakest subject, you can say. So
You
I've
were
never
weak
speak.
in English.
Yeah, I was very poor in English subjects, but it's been around 8 months ago. I'm start to learn in a first second attempt. I was not you can say courage and dare to speak. I just make call and I hang up after 30 40 seconds. I did this 2 3 times. After that I start gradually, and now day by day I'm just trying to speak more and more, and I'm also getting confidence.
Okay, that's
Okay,
really great. Hmm. You were
so
saying
you
something?
ever connect, yeah, you ever connected with any online video tutor?
Yes, I had one session, to be very honest, and for the first time, I'm going to disclose this. 6 months ago,
Mhm.
I thought, let me take one trial. I took demo class from English Yari, and it was literally, nothing. To me, it was nothing, because the way I'm speaking with you right now, same way I was speaking with that lady, that tutor. So the conversation, it turned out to be nothing. Like it was of no use. for me it was futile waste, because the same conversation as I'm having with you, same conversation it held. And then what happened, like throughout the conversation, that lady, that tutor, she was promoting her like app and the courses they were about to provide if I get enrolled myself in their courses there. After that, afterwards there's a new process of introducing the new, launching the new, this course you will be given and all. So throughout the day she was sorry, throughout the conversation she was like promoting her courses, like if you enroll our this course and all this and that will provide you this thing, that thing, like was this. And I shared my experience and my journey to her, and she also was, she herself saying the same thing, that you speak really well. She said this to me, that you spoke really well, you conversed with me really well, and you are a confident speaker, like was this. And I made no mistake that time. There was one mistake, a subtle mistake you can say. I pronounced the word cough as cuff. So she was like, this is not cough, it's cough. Actually, she shared a screen to me, and there she was saying that you need to read it out loud. So as I was like reading things, so there I read that particular word cough as cough. So there she pointed me out that you should be pronouncing it cough, and you pronounce it cough. So it's wrong. It's a wrong pronunciation. I said, okay, okay. I confessed it, so
Okay.
that I agreed. And yeah, so this was my first and last like I can say the class, kind of demo class. But I didn't like that. There was nothing new and innovative thing I found over there, nothing good thing I figured out over there. It was like normal thing, like I'm talking with you like this way, same thing happening, nothing
I
new.
think that that kind of application, that they are also so much expensive, like too much expensive.
Yeah,
And
and it's
if
sometimes it's out of our league. We cannot afford,
yeah,
a normal person
yeah.
and who is earning a like a no, like a little amount of money as a salary, so they cannot afford, if they really want to learn this English language, so they just can't afford these kind of courses.
Uh, Around 5 6 months ago, I just trying to find out any course. So saw, I'm not sure which application, but and that application I saw they were like their charge was just around 5 or 6 thousand for one month, and they were just providing around 5 and 6 session, English session and other things. So I thought this is too expensive for me.
And there are so many people, they are really interested to enroll and take that kind of courses and learn from such tutors, really nice, because they are also providing nice things. But my experience wasn't good enough. So
Yes.
I'm not saying, because there is an exception of everything. I would not say that tutors are not good. Tutors are good, but the things which I found over there, I figured out when I conversed with that lady tutor. I didn't find any new thing, any innovative thing. As the way I'm saying to you, like the journey I shared with you, the same thing I did that. Even I was in a flow over that time. I was in the flow, and I was
Oh,
saying things without stopping. I was really, really confident over there. 6 months ago, I'm talking about. I had that conversation with that lady.
okay.
So I can say for me, it was not really, good enough.
So I want to know, you have any special hobby?
Yeah, I have so many hobbies. For the first and foremost hobby is reading. Reading anything. It's not about reading books. Reading anything, any articles, anything, and singing, dancing, and cooking.
Oh, wow. That's good. So you like in a reading, you also prefer any special books and your favorite books?
No, nothing special, like anything. Like I'm the person, like whenever I find any article, let's say newspaper article, so I just read it out loud that time. But I
Okay.
would say again, I would say that I'm not really regular in that, and I am not really like normal. nowadays I'm really occupied with my own work, so this is why I'm not this much free to take out time to read things. But yeah, I'm really fond of reading.
So one thing I want to know, you ever missed your childhood or your student's life?
I would say I don't miss, I actually live that moment.
Okay.
I relive them, yeah, with
Okay.
my kids. And sometimes I narrate some interesting stories, like childhood memory stories, to my
Mhm.
kids. Anytime, it's not about before going to bed. Anytime, whenever my kids and I sitting together, and then I'm saying, "Beta, this happened. You know what? This happened, and I used to be this personality and all things, and this happened. I did this. I was kind of really naughty and talkative. Yeah, I used to be earlier, like when I was a child. So I used to be really talkative. Okay, so
Yeah.
if you have anything to share, then please let me know, or else let's wrap up this session.
Okay. So far now, I think we should wrap up. And if
Okay.
we will connect, we get connect again. So we will discuss some things new.
Yes, of course, surely. Okay, then thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye bye. And have a nice
Bye
day.
bye. Thank you. Same to you.